What's going on YouTube? Today we are opening up a couple of the Vivid Voltage blisters. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we go check this out really quick. You probably seen this just sitting around at your local Target. It is the Vaporeon 3-pack blisters. For people that are unfamiliar with blisters, it usually costs around this one's actually slightly crooked, if you can see right there, but it usually costs around $13, $12.99, and it will come with a coin, usually a hollow, and then 3 packs. So let's get these open really quick. I'm gonna open up 3 packs. Okay, so before we start, we go check out 2 things. We go check out this Vaporeon, which is cool. Got the little sparkle or whatever. And the other thing we're gonna check out what it comes with is the coin. Got a ton of these everywhere. And yeah. So now we're gonna get straight into the packs. Still Pikachu. Actually, at this point, the one I am looking for is a Rayquaza, amazing rare. But I keep just pulling Zacian. Not even Zamazenta. I keep pulling Zacian V's or Zacian amazing rares. So, still got a long way to go though. Let me know. Have you seen these in the store? I've had mixed luck with these in general. It seems like I never pull anything super crazy out of these, but I've also seen people pull the rarest card from the blisters. Leaf, Trumbeak, Sableye, Slugma, Beldum, Wooper, Pineco, and a Shiftry. Psychic Energy, Alistair, Electrite, Execute, Eevee, Woobat, and a Leon. Still looking for the bigger Leon. You know, the one that's a little bit more, I think it's a V, or full art, I mean. Fire Energy, Stunfisk, Coding Energy, Galarian Meowth, Alistair, and a Colossal V. Nice. I don't have this one. I like that purple that's in the background. I don't know how you guys feel, but that's definitely a cool color, cool blend of colors. And I'm always feeling the V's, the full arts, because just love it when it glistens like that. Nice pool. So Water Energy, Opal, Metang, Drover, Whalmer, Clobbopus, Wooper, and a Landrock. Haven't had an amazing in a while. League Staff. Speaking of League Staff, y'all seen the Shiny Star V, the what's it called, the ball guy? He's in the he's also in the Switch game. He's like a real character. I don't know if I'm super excited to see it, but it is like a funny card to see. Baritone, Ruckrock, Tallow, Yaman, Hooper, Dene, Swellow, and another Lucario. Hopefully we can get a Pikachu and also a Rayquaza Amazing Rare on this last pull, just to make it all worth it. C-Dot, Fanfi, Shumpet, Toucannon, and a Shaman. Unfortunately, these blisters did not really give me anything, but I did want the Vaporeon promo, and we also got this guy, Colossal V4. So next time, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see, and until next time, peace.